Okay, I have no notes. Matter of fact, let me just go ahead and buy a backup because well, hiya. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by BeautyForeverHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay. Your girl got her drinks today. It has 0 sugar, so let's try this and see what Kenny got on his shelf. Tennessee whiskey. That man was singing that song, child. Your love is smooth. Tennessee whiskey. Yeah, let's see how this gonna taste. It better not be trash, Chris. Put that straw in there. Ooh, oh my God. Hold up. It has a kick and then it smooths out. That's gonna be harsh on the breath though. Oof, let me nurse that. Anyway, do y'all see this wig? Would you believe me if I told you this wig was $145? If you want to see how I got this wig from A to Slay quickly, make sure you keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from BeautyForeverHair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in this video will be listed down below in my description box, so if you want to check them out, you can. Today we are doing a pre-colored 7x5 water wave unit. This color is gorgeous. I really like how this is looking. I'm really hoping it's going to give me a look because it's been a minute that I put a wig on my head. Clearly. Especially one that's pop on and go. I like the pop. I did go in and wash my wig, as you can see. This is how that curl is looking. Very water wave-ish. I did use my dish soap for that. And so now I'm gonna use my leave-in detangler and conditioning spray just to add a little bit more moisture to the hair. And then I'm gonna top it with a little bit of my hair perfume. Not a lot. All right. Ooh, smells good. Then I'm gonna tip my lace with my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate because my lace is ashy and it's getting hot outside. Okay, that sun been beaming on my skin, so I'm getting a tan. So let me use that powder around my edge. Put the excess in the actual cap of the unit, but not too much because I gotta change my part. They gave me a left side part. Beauty Forever. Come here. Do you know who I am? I'm a right side girl. Right side is the right side. Let me take off my straps in the back because most BeautyForeverHair wigs are a little snug on me in the back. Can't be concussed trying to do this wig review. Before I put this on, let me show you this length of this wig. Let me see. Can I get it back there? Back, and it's still going. It's not gonna stretch. There it is. It's 24 inches. I don't really want 24 inches, okay? I wanted the 20, so I will be cutting mine. Okay, so let me put it on my head. I got a little bump in the back because my hair is pinned down. Fix my sides. Ooh, that color is pretty. Before I move that comb down in the back, let me just make sure my forehead is where I need it to be. Got a lot of forehead real estate. I can do that. Okay, wait a minute. I don't want to do that. Glasses back on. It does come with the little C shape. Well, I wouldn't even call it a C shape. It looks more like a V, but it has like a little cutout around the ear. So it's fitting nicely on the sides. Again, it's only a 7x5, so you're not getting full coverage. Is it bendable? Oh, these are bendable? Yeah. Let me get my Nairobi mousse. But that's not it. Where's my mousse? I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse around the hairline. It's a mold, not a hold, okay? Let me part this really quick because I want a right side part. I think I can go a little bit more back. Let me clip that to the side. Clip this back. Do my little swirly swishes right up in here. I'm gonna need to use some contour over here. Because my hair is not flat in the back, that band is sitting on that bump, so it's causing my wig to slide back. So I'm gonna use a little bit of my spray right here just to hold it down. The rest will remain glueless. So when you use sprays on lace like this, it will actually help melt the lace. Lace is not skin, not even the same letters. Lace is a fabric. Certain lighting conditions will help you hide it a little bit better. Back here, you probably won't see it. Up here though, you probably gonna see it. Is my hair wet? So let me put all this back. I've been doing real good and cleaning up my space because my space was it was embarrassing. Ooh, this hair is really wet. All right, put this band on. Now I need to cut my hair a little bit shorter. I don't want the 24 inch, even though that's really pretty. I'm gonna cut mine to about right here. Let's go about 4 inches. Got a little bit of stragglies. Clean some of it up, back it up. When it comes to your curlier textures, trimming the ends will make the curls pop even more. I learned that from Amira, always Amira. She put me on set and I stopped doing it, but sis, I'm back. Before I define the curls, I'm gonna add some mousse up here to lay this down. If you want a easy curly unit, water wave texture is your go-to. It looks good, wet or dry. I'm gonna use my curl mousse, Shea Moisture Frizz Free Curl Mousse. It's been a while. Put that all over the hair. Take my detangler brush, comb through the hair. I am getting some shedding while I'm doing this. I did expect that though, just because of the hair being color treated. So hopefully as it dries down, the shedding will decrease. This is only 150% density, so we're gonna see how it fluffs out once I get it together. I may need to add a little bit of curls. That's a little frizzy. Wherever you see frizzy pieces, cut it off. I want my hair in the front to be a little bit shorter. So I'm just gonna cut down this way. Just give me a little layer in the front. With the water wave unit, it's not gonna curl up a lot, but they still have a, a slight curl to it. Scrunch that up, cut the back out of my face. Before I took my band off, I got my little teeny curler here, and I'm gonna freshen up some of the curls. Some of the hair did, what it needed to do, but some of the curl is just a little bit too loose. This is what I think when I think water wave. A slight little bend to it. This is more curly in my opinion, but I'm not mad at it. So I'm just gonna take my curler here and just wrap it around the hair like that and then let it go. If the ends are what I need to curl, I'm just gonna put it in the curler, wrap it around, let it go. Okay, don't leave it too long because she's gonna be a little bit curlier than you want. I don't want it to get it too hot, so that's why I'm just holding it for a couple seconds. Don't wrap it too tight. You just add a little bit of heat to it. Okay, that's a little bit too tight, so I'm just gonna take my hand, run it down, pull it out. Okay, that's what I needed. Ooh, I'm sweating. Take that down, get my brush, cut this a bit shorter. Take a little bit of my Eco Styler. Because I don't want to use my spray, I'm gonna take a little bit of my Eco Styler and just tap it around the hairline. Use the contour color, I'm gonna tap it around the hairline just to get rid of that line of demarcation. Very light-handed because you don't want it to turn into a muddy mess. Make sure I look up. The lace was trying to roll in. Adding the gel to the edge definitely helped lay that down. Take my contour brush. This is what I use for my makeup. Don't add any extra. Tap it from the brush around to blend everything together. And now I need to add a little bit of powder in my parting space. So I'm gonna use the milk chocolate powder again. Add it to the parting space. The parting space is not too tight, it's not too wide. It is perfect. Put this a little bit behind the ear and we are done. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. Why are you still sitting here? Get that debit card and run. Okay, I have no notes. This is gonna be my new favorite. So you may see her a couple times over the next month because I'm gonna wear this bad boy out. Matter of fact, let me just go ahead and buy a backup because I really love this color blend. If you're scared of color, try a highlight wig. You still get the natural root, but you get that color mixed in. So yeah, try that. This is how we're looking up close. Okay, that 24-inch was a vibe, but I feel like this is more my jam. This is where I'm comfortable at. I can wear this length and not get too hot. It's been a hot little minute since I've seen a wig for $150 like this. So yeah, make sure you use that coupon code so you can get them deals, cause I don't know how long it's gonna last. That man is doing some things in that house. Goodness gracious. Anyway, if that's not a black person, the world can be going down and we still stepping. But that's pretty much much all I got, y'all, you know, because it's been a while and people need to see me. They are missing the looks at the mailbox. So let me go ahead and get up out of here. Peace. Shout out one more time to BeautyForeverHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and a coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.